Now in this lesson we do some work on column graphs. Example, draw a column graph for the table. The table we've got fruit, apples, bananas, pears and peaches, and the tally. There's various tallies for each of the fruits there. So there's our graph. Requires a title. Title is simply fruit, apples, bananas, pears and peaches. And on the left side, that's the number of the various fruits. So let's start with the apples. Our tally, you can see that's a 5 and a 1. So that's 6. So we draw a column above apples up to the number 6. Now for bananas, you can see there's 4 in the tally. So above bananas on our graph, we draw a column that goes up to the number 4. Then we've got pears. Now how many pears? Well, there's a 5 and 4 makes 9. So we need to draw a column that goes up to 9 for pears. And finally peaches, simply 2. So our column for peaches just goes up to the number 2.